Beth from Zumba. I'm doing some how-to videos for you today, all on basic steps that we do in Zumba, breaking them down a little bit so that to help you in class. So here we go. Okay, with Bachata, we don't do too many different steps. So we kind of sometimes do the side to side one a bit with a bit of other direction. Okay, so the easiest way, I'm going to face the other direction. So we're going to go forward, but to the side. So we're stepping like this. So our foot is actually facing that direction rather than forward. So we're going 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. And we get the hip going. I sometimes do the same step in a salsa because it's quite fun and it suits salsa as well as bachata. Okay, so look facing me. We would be going side, tap, back, back, side, tap, back, back. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. And we often have these arms in bachata. We know we're doing bachata with these arms. And that is all.